Oh my gosh, look at that, everybody. A beautiful, crispy, suckling pig. I've been waiting for 5 hours for this.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
So good. This is the best.
Here in Miami, they have the Magic Box. It's amazing barbecue in half the time. It's a food frenzy like no other. Man, crispy on the outside, moist and tender on the inside, and cooked in no time at all. The secret? Well, it's magic. One word from Robert to dig into the crisp and juicy leftovers is all the crowd needs. And what would that word be?
Okay. A comer.
Let's go.
In 4 hours' time, we have a perfectly cooked pig. Oh my goodness. It's pure porcine pleasure, tip to tail.
I'm very good. The pig didn't cook itself, the box did. It's genius. Thank you so much.
I'm sure that you're going to be very happy by purchasing one of our boxes and roasting your pigs or lamb, which are very simple using the box. Again, thank you so much.